So now we want to do the exact same thing we did for the twig with the ends, but we're going to do this for the flower pots that are hanging. So the same kind of stitch, same everything, just placing the embroidery where the flower pots would hang. And then we want to also embroider the hanging portion, I guess you could call it, the string, so that it looks like the pots are actually hanging from the spot where we have the embroidery floss around the twig. And then we want to tie off the back with a couple of knots just to secure all of our hard work. And this step is complete. What I like to do is take a lighter shade of brown and also embroider around the twig. It just looks better and adds a little bit more interest and just makes it look more like a rope.